We're watching football today. You know what that means? You have to have smoked chicken wings, right? Right here on the Master Grill. Take out the baffles. Open the top. So this is one I like. It's Oklahoma Joe's. This one's pecan. Pecan's a great wood for chicken in general, especially chicken wings. I use chunk. I never use chips. I only use chunks. Look at the size of that. Isn't that nice? I'm going to put one right in the top here. Then I'm going to fill it with charcoal. Open the bottom. If you watch my channel, you know my trick. I use two, not just one. Light that baby up. See how nice it's lighting? All right. And you can hold it easy because you got more to hold on to, right? Slide that in there. We're gonna wait 2 minutes. We're gonna start cooking. Okay, here we are. This is the way I prepare the chicken wings. It's super easy. I drained the juice out of the bags already. I just dump them in a nice clean bowl. I don't know how many we got. There's probably about 30 of them, something like that. It's a good number. One of my favorites, Montreal chicken. Give it a good coating. Sometimes I put a little olive oil over them. Today I didn't. Just gonna mix them around. Do it again. There we go. And that's it. Gonna let them sit for a couple of minutes just to soak in a little bit. Then I'm basically gonna pour them on the grill. The grill's ready to go. We're gonna cook these, I'm gonna say 300 degrees. Gonna give it 300 degrees. They're gonna be done about an hour. All right, they've been sitting here a couple of minutes. It's good enough. You can see they're nice and dry. There's not a lot of moisture on the surface of them. That's the way I like to get them on there. And I don't mess around or waste a lot of time. Just look at it. Easy as that. Lay them out. You can always give it another sprinkle if you think you got some that are missing. But these are pretty uniform. I'm gonna leave it alone. These look good. I'm not gonna go right now with the top and bottoms. I'm not gonna do all that stuff. I just want to get them on. I want to get them started. Okay, and that's it. Now we're going to cook them for, I don't know, I'll give it about 20 minutes and I'm going to flip them. Okay, it's been about a half an hour, give or take. Got the thermal panel here to check the temperature, but we don't need it yet. It's too early. So look, you can hear. Can you hear the sizzling? Oh yeah. Looks good, looks good. Well, these are almost all of them skin side up, and I like to put them skin side up for most of the cook. All right, looking good, looking good. We're good to go. You see they're getting a little bit brown. Let me give it a quick check. Let's give it a quick temp check. Well, 168. Okay, wow. Surprise, we're closing in on it. It's great. All right, my friends, we're done. Been about an hour, maybe an hour 15 minutes, give or take. Let's check them out and get them out of here. Oh yeah. Now you can't tell because I'm touching them, but these are nice. They're not, I'm not going to say they're crispy, but they're not soggy. They're perfect. And there you have it. There's about 30 wings for you. Nicely cooked. These babies will go great with blue cheese or ranch dressing. So that's cooking the chicken wings on the Master Grill. Super easy. Start to finish was way less than 2 hours. And we got a good batch of chicken wings to eat now. And this is the Everyday Man saying, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.